Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to disable OK Google on your iPhone devices. Okay, so as you see, there's two options that you need to do. So the first one, the first way is to uninstall the Assistant app. Click the Remove app, delete it, and then as you will see, Siri, hey Google. And as you see, it's not turning on. And then second option is if you have the app and you created a shortcut to access OK Google, all you need to do, just click the shortcut that you created as Google and then click delete and then delete shortcut. That should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.